Today we're going to discuss a short story, The Enchanted Necklace. So the story begins once upon a time in a small village nested with rolling hills and deep forest. There once lived a young girl named Alina. She was kind and hardworking, but her family was very poor. One day, while gathering the flowers in the forest by the lake, she found something sparkling under the bush in the forest. She bent down and covered a star-shaped necklace with golden chains attached to it. Curious, Alina slipped the necklace to her neck. Suddenly, she felt some warm glow spread through her body, and a gentle voice whispered in her ears, "Wear me with kindness, and I shall grant you a wish each one day." Alina was astonished but overjoyed. That evening, she wished for a warm meal for her family to eat. From that moment, the tiny kitchen table filled with steaming dishes of food. Her family was astonished but grateful. The next day, Alina wished for a brand new roof for their crumbling cottage where they live. By morning, the house stood sturdy and waterproof. As days passed, Alina used her wishes to help the villagers in need, fixing broken tools, healing the sick, and ensuring no one went hungry in the village. But the words of the enchanted necklace eventually spread to the greedy king of the land. He sent his royal guards to seize it from Alina, claiming it for his own. Though frightened, Alina refused to give it up. The king laughed and said that you are just a poor girl. What can you do against me? With courage in her heart, Alina made a wish to the necklace. Let the necklace protect itself from the greed and selfishness of the world. The moment she spoke, the necklace glowed brightly and flew from her neck, vanished into the air. The king screamed in rage, but his greed has no power. Though she lost the necklace, Alina's kindness had already transformed the villagers. The villagers, inspired by her selfishness, worked together to ensure no one suffers in the village. Alina found the joy in their unity, realizing that true magic was in the love and kindness shared among the people. The moral of the story is that true magic lies in selflessness and kindness. Do subscribe my channel, and thanks for watching.